Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Assistive Touch not working or stuck on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to turn off your iPhone or power off your iPhone, and then again power on your iPhone. So after restarting, reset all settings in your iPhone. So to reset all settings, open settings and then scroll down and click on general. Now here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then enter your lock screen passcode. So to confirm reset all settings, again click on reset all settings. It will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete your any media or photos data in your iPhone. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then check your iPhone is updated to the latest version or not. So to check the version, open settings. Now in settings scroll down and click on general. Now here click on software update, and from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS. So if your iPhone is not updated to latest iOS, update it, and after updating your problem will be fixed. And if it's not working, then again open setting, click on accessibility. Now here click on touch and then click on assistive touch. Now from here turn on assistive touch and then click on customize top level menu, and from here reset assistive touch settings, click on reset, and after clicking on reset go back and then here click on idle opacity. Now set the idle opacity to 40%, and after doing these settings the assistive touch will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.